The taste of Vietnam. My name is Olaf. I'm a chef, writer and photographer who dives into the culinary heart of the Quang Nam region. Getting inspired by local food and ingredients to find my own style and create new dishes for the Tui Blue Nam Hoi An. Vietnam has a huge coffee tradition, and it's the second largest coffee exporter worldwide after Brazil. The way of preparing the coffee was kind of new to me, because the filter technique and the usage of sweet condensed milk and lots of ice cubes was nothing that I expected. But when I tried it, I fell in love with the taste and the freshness it comes with that drink. Creamy, nutty, sweet and cold makes it a perfect partner for a hot summer vacation. Bringing that taste into a dessert was something that came directly to my thoughts. So here is how I made it. First of all, I need to make some coffee. For the next step, I'm melting chocolate and butter. Then I combine it with sugar and the Vietnamese style coffee. Just drop 3 eggs into the mixture, stir it well and add the flour. Now we let it rest for 10 minutes in a baking form, and after that bake it for 25 minutes till it gets a bit crispy from the outside and still juicy and wet from the inside. Well, that was a pleasure for me to create this recipe for the menu of the Tui Blue Nam Hoi An.